These first-person bicycle and bike videos are getting millions of views. They are made with just one prompt. You only need 2 AI tools and 10 minutes of time to create the same type of content. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make videos in this niche and how to start your own YouTube and Instagram with this content. Let's go. The first step is going to the free AI agent, Google AI Studio. We will use it to write prompts for our animations. You can use my prompts, which I left through the link in the description. We write the first request. I need a single seamless prompt for AI animation. I'll be animating in Flow VO3. The first video shows a person riding a sports bike in first-person view, racing very fast through mountainous terrain, performing stunts in the mountains, and descending a steep trail. The sky isn't ordinary. It's starry, but it's still light outside. Our task is to explain what we need and make sure to write which tool we will use for AI animations and images. Copy the finished prompt and go to the second tool, Google Flow. It has an official trial subscription, and you do not need to pay right away. The credits should be enough to create a video. Create a new project. Now let's go through the settings. Click here, choose Images. Set the video resolution to 9:16, 1 generation, and choose the Nano Banana Pro generation model. As you can see, the image generation costs 0 credits. Insert the prompt and generate the image. The same prompt that we use for the image, we will also use for the animation. And we create the image at the beginning to make sure the graphics and the location work for us. The first image is ready. It looks great. Now we will use a bike, and then we will move on to a bicycle. Now click here and change the image to video. Here, set frames, 1 generation, 9:16, and choose the VO3 fast generation model. In the start frame, choose our generated image. The prompt is the same as for the image. Generate and wait. Done. Click on the animation, and it takes us to the video editor with the timeline of our animation. Let's see what we got. It looks great. You will say that 8 seconds is not enough for this type of video. I agree with you. So click the plus button and choose the second function, Extend. Insert the same prompt that was used for the first animation, click Generate, and wait. Flow will automatically extend the video, and the animation will already be 16 seconds long. You can do this up to 1 minute, and it will look like one complete animation. Done. Now go back to the generation page and download this video. Now we go back to Google AI Studio and write a prompt for the bicycle. Now prompt. A person is riding a bike in first-person view along steep, winding roads in the forest, under a sky of an unusual color dotted with stars. This is roughly what the requests look like. They are very easy. Just come up with where the person will be riding the bicycle. Copy the prompt and do everything using the same system. Prompt, image generation, animation generation, and then the extend function. Everything is very simple. Also, all prompts and requests will be available through the link in the description. Go there and see how I did it. All my animations are ready. As you can see, the key idea is the beautiful, unusual sky and the cyclist riding through dangerous places in first-person view. Download this and go to any video editor. The last step is editing in any video editor. Upload all the animations. I will use CapCut because you can do this for free there. What you need to do is add color correction and saturation to the video so it looks like the example. This is very easy to do. Drag the video onto the timeline and zoom in a little to hide the VO3 logo like this. Now go to Filters and choose some color correction filter, for example Maldives or Clear 2. In general, here you can find the exact filter that will fit your video perfectly. As you can see, now it looks much better. When you finish, do this with all the animations you have. Click Export and export in the best settings. Now let's see what I got. It looks simply amazing. Write in the comments what results you got. You can keep experimenting further, with a car, adding more space, or something else. I hope this tutorial helped you. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss new trending niches. See you soon.